Cordial greetings to everyone. My name is Luisa Fernanda Lince Forero. I am a student of foreign language with emphasis in English. I am in fourth semester. I am studying in the UNAD University in Dos Quebradas. Okay, today I am going to expose you my daily routine. Remember that I am a teacher, I have a baby, I am 21 years old. As I told you in the forum, I am a student and I love to read. Okay. Um, my daily routine. First, I wake up every day at 5 o'clock a.m. But what happened? Uh, Sometimes I put off my alarm because I am very lazy. It's very difficult for me to wake up early, and and it's the reason why I always or almost always I wake up later than my hour, and I have to take a shower very quickly because the time finish or my baby gets up when I am not in the room, and she feels fair if I am not there. For that reason, I have to take a shower very quickly. Then I get dressed. With my common uniform. I comb my hair um, almost every day. I put cream in my face every day, eyes, and I wash my face very well before to make up. Okay, then my baby wakes up. I do the same routine with her. She takes a bath with my help. She gets dressed. She have to comb her hair. Her hair is short, but I have to comb her normal. I put hair cream in her body. Uh, and no. She used uniform too. Okay, then we have to go to take a bus at 6 o'clock because the bus just go to our neighborhood each hour, and if we don't take at 6 o'clock, we arrive late after 7 o'clock a.m., and that is not possible because I am the teacher and I have to arrive first than my students. Okay, we arrived to the kindergarten at before 7 o'clock a.m. Um, uh, but my schedule is to go in at 7 o'clock. For that reason, sometimes we go to the supermarket fairs and and go to the park or stay out for some minutes. I am a student in a kindergarten in Manizales. The neighborhood is Villa Pilar. It's a private school, a private kindergarten. And yes, okay, when I arrive, organize my classroom, my backpack. I greet my students, and I drink a coffee every day, always, because I have to turn on my brain. I don't know. Okay, we have the same routine every day. we will do the welcome. Um, we sing, we make a game before to take the breakfast because the breakfast of my students is at 9 a.m. o'clock. What happened? At 1 past half p.m. I take my lunch without the students. I can take a rest for some minutes. I can brush my teeth. I can take my cell phone to send some message, things like that. I didn't say that I take the breakfast with my students because I never take breakfast. Um, is not common for me. I decide to not take breakfast for my brain, for my stomach, for my body, for my soul, for everything. It's really good. I feel better. I feel uh, very well. In fact, uh, but what happened? I take my dinner every day, lunch and dinner. Sometimes I take breakfast, but that happens in weekends or things like that, but not always. We continue doing our activities in the park, in the pool, because we have to go weekly to the pool, or we dance, or we do yoga, or we do the activities to the of the book, things like that. Then I arrived to my home with my baby at 6 past half p.m. o'clock. Okay, at that hour I go out to from my kindergarten, but remember I have to take bus and go to my home, and I arrive really late. Then I have to prepare my lunch and everything that my baby will eat the next day, because I have to go to carry everything what we are going to eat to the kindergarten. We have to organize uh, things, uniform, what you will use, notebooks, materials, everything. So we do a simple night routine, brush teeth, put on the pajama. Um, we read a storytelling, and I say simple things to my baby before go to sleep. For example, the universe will protect you, bless you, and guide your path. I love you so much. Remember, remember, you are very clever. I am proud of you. Remember, you are healthy. Remember what wisdom you are. Things like that before go to sleep. And and she breastfeed. Then I hold her in my arms until she fell asleep. Um, Here is my time to do homework of the UNAT University. Really late, but I don't have more options, and I have to pay attention to my baby because she could I don't know, she can wakes up or fell to the bed. I don't know, fell out to the bed. Before go to sleep, I try to do my chores, for example, laundry clothes, wash the dishes, or organize everything in order to not have a lot of disaster, because it's really bad that, for example, starting the week, you start with this messy noise, really bad. And actually, a baby make every day a lot of messy. You have to organize all the time. And then I go to sleep. I try to relax. I talk with my couple about everything of the day. Eh, we do a routine. We give us a hug, a kiss. I always say thank you to the universe for everything, for my patience with the students, with my baby, for the energy, for give me intelligence to do everything what I do, because uh, really I have to do many things. Uh, yes, that is everything. That is my routine. I think I hope you can understand me. And thank you for listening to me, for reading me in the forum. Uh, it's everything. Bye bye. See you later. Good luck.